Can't stand looking at your old kitchen anymore? I get it, I've been there. Today, I'm super excited to share the most incredible kitchen trends for 2025. From mind-blowing cabinet designs to luxury islands that'll make cooking a joy, I'll show you how to create that dream kitchen you've always wanted, without spending a fortune. Ready to transform your kitchen? Let's get started. You know what's crazy? I just finished renovating my kitchen last month, and wow, what a game changer! Started just like you, endless Pinterest scrolling, tons of Instagram saves, feeling totally lost. But after diving deep into 2025's trends and talking to top designers, I discovered some amazing tricks that completely transformed my space. Today, I'm sharing all my secrets with you. We're talking cabinet designs that doubled my storage, an island that became the heart of my home, and some cool features that won't break the bank. Whether you've got a small budget or planning to go all out, I've got solutions that actually work. No fancy designer talk, just real, practical ideas that'll make your kitchen look incredible. Ready to transform your kitchen? Let's dive into those stunning cabinet designs everyone's been asking about. Smart cabinet revolution. Alright, let's talk about cabinets, and trust me, these aren't your grandma's cabinets. The coolest part about 2025's designs? They're actually solving those annoying kitchen problems we all have. Let me show you my top picks that are seriously worth the hype. First up, materials that make sense. These new nanotech surfaces? Fingerprint proof. Finally, no more wiping cabinet doors every 5 minutes. Got kids? You'll love this self-healing laminates that resist scratches. And if you're like me and care about the environment, the new bamboo options are gorgeous and eco-friendly. Storage solutions that'll blow your mind. My absolute favorite? Corner cabinets with pull-out systems that actually let you reach everything. Check this out, vertical dividers that turn that messy cabinet into an organized dream. And these new hidden compartments? Perfect for hiding those appliances you don't use daily. Colors and finishes that'll stay trendy. The two-tone look is huge right now, I'm talking light uppers and dark lowers. These new matte finishes? Stunning and way easier to maintain than glossy. And here's a designer's secret: mixing wood tones with soft grays creates this expensive, custom look. Here's a money-saving tip I wish I knew earlier: focus on upgrading the cabinets you use most. You don't have to do everything at once. Want to know what really makes these cabinets special? Let's move on to the tech features that'll make your kitchen feel like it's from the future. Luxury kitchen islands. Let me tell you about my favorite part of any modern kitchen, the island. But guys, 2025's islands aren't just big blocks in the middle of your kitchen anymore. Let me show you what's making everyone obsessed with these new designs. Smart space magic. My personal favorite? This island that expands when you need extra prep space. Built-in charging spots for your phones and tablets. Goodbye messy cords. And get this, hidden refrigerator drawers that keep your drinks cold right where you need them. Cool features you'll actually use. Pop-up outlets that disappear when you're not using them. LED strips under the counters that make late-night snacking way easier. And these new smart surfaces? They can tell if something's too hot and warn you. Seating that makes sense. Adjustable bar stools that tuck away completely. Hidden storage inside each seating spot. Genius for table linens. And these new swing-out seats? Perfect when you need extra space for parties. Here's a pro tip I learned: if your kitchen's not huge, go for an island with wheels. You can move it around when you need to, and it's a total game changer for parties. Want to know the best part about these islands? They're totally customizable to your space. Even if you've got a smaller kitchen, I'll show you how to make it work. Ready to see how we can make your island the star of your kitchen? Let's check out some amazing tech features next. Tech integration. Now, this is where things get really exciting. Remember when we thought a microwave was high-tech? Well, 2025's kitchen tech is mind-blowing. but in a totally practical way. Check out these game-changing features. Smart appliances that actually help. My absolute favorite? Cabinets that light up inside when you're searching for stuff. No more lost Tupperware. Voice-controlled faucets perfect when your hands are messy from cooking. And these new smart fridges? They'll text you when you're running low on milk or eggs. Lighting that sets the mood. Under-cabinet lights that adjust based on time of day. Motion sensors that light up your way for midnight snacks. And the coolest part? All controlled from your phone. Energy-saving magic. Smart plugs that turn off appliances when not in use. Auto-dimming lights that save on your electric bill. Temperature-controlled drawers that keep food fresh longer. Here's a money-saving tip. Start with the tech you'll use daily. I started with smart lighting, and honestly, total game changer for under $100. The best part about all this tech? It's super easy to use. No engineering degree needed, I promise. And most of it can be installed without tearing up your whole kitchen. Want to know how to make your kitchen eco-friendly while saving money? Let's talk about those features next. Eco-friendly features. Let's talk about going green in your kitchen, and no, I don't mean painting your walls. These eco-friendly updates are not just good for the planet, they're amazing for your wallet too. Check out these sustainable game changers. Smart ways to save water. These new faucets can reduce water use by 50%. My water bill dropped like crazy. Dishwashers that use half the water but clean even better. And my favorite, a water filtration system that made me quit buying plastic bottles. Energy-saving heroes. LED lights that last forever and barely use any power. New fridges that use less energy than your old light bulb. Windows with special coating that keeps your kitchen cooler in summer. Cool materials that make a difference. Recycled glass countertops that look like expensive marble. Cabinets made from sustainable bamboo, they look stunning. And these new floor tiles? Made from recycled materials but look super luxe. Here's my favorite money-saving tip. Start with LED lights and a smart faucet. These two changes paid for themselves in just 6 months. Know what's really cool? Most of these eco-friendly features actually increase your home's value. Talk about a win-win. Ready to see how all this fits into your budget? Let's talk numbers that actually make sense. Budget considerations. Alright, let's talk about money, and don't worry, I'm keeping it real. After helping tons of friends with their kitchens, I've learned some serious budget tricks. Here's the breakdown that'll actually help you. Smart ways to save big. Cabinet refacing instead of replacing? Saved me $5,000. Mix high-end and budget materials, like fancy counters with basic backsplash. My secret weapon? Buying appliances during holiday sales. I got 40% off. Where to splurge, trust me. Quality cabinet hardware, you touch these every day. That kitchen island, it's your kitchen superstar. Good lighting, changes everything without breaking the bank. Where to save? Basic sink with fancy faucet, looks expensive, isn't? Stock cabinets with custom paint. DIY easy stuff like cabinet pulls and lighting. Quick money-saving tips. Shop end-of-season sales, saved me thousands. Phase your renovation, do cabinets first, counters later. Keep plumbing where it is, moving pipes equals big money. Here's what I did. Started with paint and hardware, then saved up for the big stuff. Took a bit longer, but my wallet thanked me. Ready to wrap this all up? Let's talk about how to put all these ideas together. Wow, we've covered a lot today. But before you go, let me share something real quick. Remember how we started talking about dream kitchens? Well, now you've got all the insider knowledge to make it happen. Let's do a super quick recap of the game changers. Those smart cabinets that make storage a breeze. That stunning island that'll become your favorite spot. Cool tech that actually makes sense. And those money-saving tricks that'll keep your wallet happy. Here's my final piece of advice. Start small, dream big. Maybe begin with those cabinet upgrades we talked about, then work your way up to that amazing island. Trust me, every small change makes a huge difference. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I answer every single one because I've been exactly where you are. Oh, and if you love these ideas, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Next week, I'm sharing my top kitchen organization hacks that'll blow your mind. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Can't wait to see your kitchen transformations. Tag me in your before and after pics. Stay creative, and I'll catch you in the next one.